Alright YouTube, what up? Bum in a Suit here, coming back with part 2 of the Lee Ferguson Stars 09. Pulled some nice hits out already. Foxborough 11's tearing it up. Coming off of the next pack. Looks like we got through half of the box already. These packs are giving me trouble. I don't want to tear the freaking corners. Alright. Decoy and nothing but base. Pack behind me. Yeah, I think there is only 4. And I think we pulled... Did we pull our 4 or did we only get 3? I don't even remember how many hits we got so far. Got 2 jerseys. Yeah, I think we got our 4. Because we had the second auto. Fox got that second auto. Nothing but base. Decoy. Next pack. Base, decoy. All this other stuff's probably going to be base and decoy. Maybe a couple numbered cards. So we did pull 3 hits out of the first 3 packs we opened. I got a rookie, decoy. Rookie is Jason Williams for the Cowboys. That's numbered 821 and 999. Now to go in the numbered card pile. Yeah, the box probably is pretty dead from now on. We got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. We still got 9 packs left too. There's 24 packs in this stuff. All base. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to whip through these really fast because I don't think there's anything left. Base. Got a rookie for the Vikes. Asher Allen. Numbered 899 of 999. Vikings. Well, that's kind of cool looking card. I don't know what the hell that is. That's actually a different looking card though. What the hell is that? Is that one of those short print cards? Randy Moss. It's like all black border. It's pretty cool looking. Randy Moss for the Patriots. I like that card. It's got like a snow background. It's pretty cool looking. They all say it's an SP. So sweet. Randy Moss, not a bad player to have for a short print card. Next pack, all base. Is that a base? Yeah, it's a base. 4 packs left. All base. Next pack. Got a rookie for the Packers, B.J. Raji. Numbered 891 and 999. B.J. Raji. Down to our last 2 packs. Last 2 packs. Got a decoy and got a for the Chiefs. Tony Gonzalez Gold Stars, number 26 of 500. And one more pack, guys. Last pack. And all base. Alright guys, so that's our Lee Ferguson Stars break. Not bad at all. Got our 4 nice hits, got 2 autographs, 2 patch, or it's actually 2 jersey cards and then some number cards. So I appreciate everybody getting in, and we'll see you later. Take it easy.